PPT 5, 6, 7 and 8 is an example of it that get associated with your next problem statement, program number 3, 4 and 5. And rest of the things is that from 6 onwards you are working with the prepared statement, right? तो शायद इतना नहीं हो पाएगा, पहले 2 या 3 तो प्रोग्राम्स पक्का हो जाएंगे, 4 प्रोग्राम्स, isn't it? So I'm giving you 10 minutes to go through the PPT and then start working on the programs, right? After 10 minutes I will take a review. Will it be okay? See what I realize
Yes.
that हाँ, क्योंकि मुझे ऐसे realize हुआ कि it's a one way delivery, it is happening. You have to work on the project, you have to work on the program parts, right? वो programs के लिए respective आपको क्या help चाहिए वो मैंने आपको वहाँ पे दे चुकी हूँ. So read it and then if you have any doubt, any difficulty, come back. I will solve that difficulty. Fine. So first 10 minutes for your for just go through the PPT. और यदि PPT के ऊपर नहीं जाना है तो पहले 3 PPT just go through it and start working on the second program step by step. It's your choice, right? But I'm expecting minimum 3 programs should be happen today. Is it okay? Or is it okay? No response. Okay, Daniel, you share your programs to me. I will just send your program to me.
Ma'am, I kind of figured out वो वाला part, but I'm just seeing कि वो print नहीं कर रहा है, like the output. I'm just checking that part.
Okay,
now.
so you are trying out at your end first. चलेगा, no issue.
My experience, I'll tell you. I have almost tried
Devansh, Nirmit,
15
and all.
different flavors of Linux.
Is it okay?
15 different types of Linux. And I installed this Linux Mint operating system. So Linux Mint.
अरे बोला करो, कम से कम दिखाई नहीं देते तो कम से कम आवाज तो सुनाया करो.
Installing it within the fraction of 15 minutes, my computer was compromised. So I was like a little bit shocked by this happening with Linux. So then I come to know that the ISO file that I have downloaded and Linux Mint 12 is one of the most affected operating systems in the Linux category. So it comes with lots of predefined backgrounds. There are articles, there are literally articles. The issues with Linux. Lots of backgrounds are there with Linux Mint. That is not actually the thing that needs to be taken care of. So when we are talking about the user mode or the kernel mode, in both the cases we should need to check the operating system from the installation, whether the operating system is coming from an authenticated source or not. So we need to check, because if something is affected on a user mode, it's very easy for you to detect. But if something is affected on a kernel mode, it's very difficult for you to trace that issue out, because you don't know what is going in the background. You are not aware about things that are going in the background, and that will definitely very difficult by detecting it with a very tool or a handy tool. It's very highly impossible also, very difficult. In that case, whenever we are installing operating system, either on a virtual environment or a physical environment, we should know that this operating system file, OSR file, is a file. The ISO file is a file which is coming from a very trusted authenticated source. This need to be the first thing that we need to consider before installation. And even if there are issues going on, the first thing we should need to check is whether it's the issue of the operating system or it's the issue of the user, the front end part. So whether it's the core operating system files related issue or the user related issue. Now this I guess we have started with which includes object manager. Object manager provides rules for the retention, naming and security of objects. Objects can be, for example, file folder, saved in file system. It also removes the duplicate object resources. And there are operations performed by object manager includes creation, insertion, open, close, delete, queue, and so on. Now, power manager. So the major role of a power manager is to deal with events like power off and time running. Windows supports all type of latest standards in power management, including the advanced power management and advanced configuration of power management. Consecutive network devices can be powered off when not being used and dynamically reactivated when network activity. So we check for the network security and other parameters. Process manager manages the combination and deletion of the processes. So we have create processes, routine reloads, dynamic linking library, other processes, primary threads, which are there in the part of the system that is all taken care of. Process. IO manager takes care of input and output devices. It can also take care of various drivers which are to run the file system. Now, just a quick question: what is a driver, and by which name driver files are made? Hmm. But what is the most common extension given to a driver file? In which language it is written? You can say in VLLR driver, but there is a special extension given to driver files. Most common extension given to a driver file is an INI. INI is the most common extension that is being given. Sys is there, but most common extension is INI. INI is the extension that is given to the files. And you can easily open and edit and load it. Anybody has ever checked what is there inside an INI file? Yes? I'll show you. Are you able to see the screen? You can use this URL also. It's called as text editor, or even using the notepad editor also. Put the name. See, don't do anything like this. Don't check anything. I am showing you and I am demonstrating you whatever, because I have a little expertise in Windows. I don't want you to do it because then your operating system will crash and will ask me that sir, I did this changes and my operating system got crashed. So it is suggested that unless and until you learn the expertise, you don't play with any Windows stuff. Okay? For me, it's very common, and I do it on a regular basis. So please don't play with any Windows file. So I'm opening a Win file. Okay. Win file, win.iml is a kind of a common driver that is being used for Windows for running many things. So I call this file and I open this file the online text editor that I opened. See, I have opened this file. It's about 16-bit app. It is a standard syntax of writing things. What all it do is it calls and map the map I.I32.edu. So this is the main file that we use for. So everything, the other library functions are written in this file. Okay, so this is what actually INI files are. So win r.ini and it is having a script. This script is run and this script have some subroutine programs that will be called and those programs are called. Okay, so you can check INI files, but make sure when you're closing, don't save it with a different extension. Don't save it with any modification. Rather close it without saving it with anyone. Okay. Same way, if you want to do some other things with respect to IAM, one can do that. See, system calls, whatever you call, the system will call it. Okay. And when system is calling it, the system is actually calling it. That time, if that particular thing is not available there, then then you are in trouble. The system is unable to find the resource and then it will crash or then it will malfunction with the operating system. And in Windows, it's very easy to do. I have already showed you. And, editing Windows standard, editing a standard Windows file. That too with the online tool. So you can see the keys in Windows that how things are and be modified. Now, virtual memory management. We already had a discussion on virtual memory management. So, what was paging mechanism? What was paging mechanism? We discussed on the hierarchy of memory, cache, L1, L2, level 1 cache, level 2 cache. Then we had RAM, primary memory. Then we had secondary memory. Then we had secondary storage. Right? So what was this L1, L2 about? Yes, L1, L2, hierarchy of memory, virtual memory, paging. What is paging? What is the role of paging? No one is having any idea of paging also? Paging memory management. See, when your RAM is less and you want more additional memory that should act as a virtual memory or that should act as a primary memory to the system. Then from secondary memory, some memory is allocated to primary memory so that the data can be stored temporarily in that particular memory. That particular mechanism is somewhat related to paging virtual memory management. So virtual memory is being designed specifically for managing the more number of files that operating system needs to create. For example, for searching, maybe search, Windows search things very quickly, Linux search things very quickly. So how this is happening? Because it's not RAM who is doing it, but it is that virtual memory which is performing this task. So your hard disk, for example, you have a hard disk with 2 free storage, So this 2-3 storage will be utilized as a part of the paging space in the system. Okay. So that is what actually the virtual memory and paging mechanism is about. I'll definitely share a little piece of information, a link with you that will give you a little more idea of space. See, it will tell you that disabling the paging will definitely give you a higher performance, but don't do that. Okay. There is a link I have shared in the chat. I want you to visit this particular link and explore a little about paging. I'll give you 5 minutes to explore the link that is being there in your chat box. Just go through it, explore it, and I'll ask relatively questions on that. Paging is a very, very important and crucial activity in Windows.
Yes. चलो बताओ what you are exactly doing. Devansh. Ritik, Muskan. See, I hate chat box. You replied on the with the mic, right?
Yes, ma'am.
बताओ क्या चल रहा है, क्या कर रहे हो?
मैम अभी तो जस्ट आपने बोला था वो पीपीटी गो थ्रू करने को, तो वो पीपीटी देख के आई वाज गोइंग फॉर द असाइनमेंट.
Okay.
लास्ट.
So PPT, you go through the PPT now?
यस मैम, थोड़ा बहुत ऊपर ऊपर से मैंने देखा पीपीटी.
हाँ, तो उसको implement करना है ना अब,
यस
right?
मैम.
हाँ, so start implementing it, right?
यस मैम.
Okay. See, everyone please make a note. I have created a folder, one folder in the class note, right? Every day for in the class note folder you will find आज के date का एक folder मिलेगा. You have to upload your task, whatever task you will do it today, you have to upload it. Fine. This course is for 100%. It comes under the category of 100% evaluation. So 40 marks is for your assignment, and I'm not giving you the separate assignment. So whatever work you are doing it into the class regular basis, I'm going to evaluate it, right? So 40 mark आपके पूरे assignments में रहने वाले हैं, the work which you are doing it into the class, right? Fine, it should not be copied. If it is copied, I will not bother who has written the programs. I will straightforward put it as a 0 marks. Fine. So I want your efforts from your side. So every day जब भी आपको programs लिखने हैं, you have to upload it on the machines, and whatever task you are doing as per that proportions, I'm giving you the marks, right?
And where do we send it in?
Yes.
Where do we send it in? Like,
It's you have to upload it on the class note. Class note, go to the class note options. Under that class note options, you will find the folder JDBC 10th February 2020. You have to upload your program there.
Okay, like no, I was thinking like, do you use the Edu class notebook? Is it that one? No, it's
No, you have to upload it.
okay. It's the folder. Okay, I
It's
will
a
check that.
folder. It's a folder. You have to upload the information on that folder only. Right?
Ma'am, where is it again?
It is in the class note. What a task? How much task you have to do it your own? I just make it note कि कितना कितना किसने क्या क्या काम किया हुआ है, right? But don't do the copy. Nibir, yes,
And is it the class materials you're talking about?
it is not in class material. It is under the class notes. Go to the class note options where you will find one JDBC folder, 10th February 2020. Class note tab. Yes, Nibir, are you there?
यस मैम।
हाँ बोलो, क्या क्या कर रहे हो, कहाँ तक पहुँचे?
डेटा
यस,
डेटाबेस क्रिएट कर रहा हूँ मैं।
डेटाबेस क्रिएट कर रहे हो, कौन से इसका, पहले वाला कि सेकंड पहले वाले प्रोग्राम्स हो गया?
मैम ये पहला वाला प्रोग्राम मैम हो गया, लेकिन मैम इसका डेटाबेस क्रिएट नहीं करा मैंने अब तक, और पुराना वाला डेटाबेस मेरा करप्ट हुआ था, कल मैंने फिर से इंस्टॉल करा है इसलिए।
ठीक है, ओके करो। निखिल, हाँ ठीक है करो, और मुझे यदि कोई प्रॉब्लम है तो प्लीज़ जल्दी बता दो। निखिल,
Yes, ma'am.
डूइंग,
Yes, ma'am. Working on it.
अभी तक क्या किया?
Actually, my system wasn't working properly yesterday, so I'm trying to install this again.
एक्चुअली निखिल, यू शुड बी कीप रेडी विथ योर सिस्टम। अभी उसी में टाइम निकल जाएगा।
Yeah, I know, ma'am, but it
या ओके,
showing
डू इट
some error.
फास्ट, डू इट फास्ट। केशव,
Yeah, sorry.
केशव, आर यू देयर? अटेंडेंस भी ले लेती हूँ, रुको।
Okay, so you might have explored it. And, this particular
व्हाट्स द प्रॉब्लम, व्हाई यू पीपल आर नॉट स्पीकिंग? चैट में क्यों लिखते हो?
want you to make some notes
Yes, ma'am.
किस
I
में मैम?
uploaded it.
because
Yeah,
these
you
are
can
the
go.
things are very crucial that will go in your company. You will definitely need all these links for recalling the things. So you can make an Excel file where you can keep the links that are sharing or a Word file drafting down what discussions we had during that particular session. So these all links are very crucial and very important. Wherever you will go in company, this will be since we have had a discussion on the virtual memory management, we think that local procedure process or really use as a part of the
रोल नंबर 1, attend your roll call and give me the status what exactly you are doing right now. Roll number 1,
procedure call.
roll number 2,
Application communicate with the environment subsystem through messages
2,
via the LPC hands.
3,
So local
4,
application want to communicate
9,
one application might communicate with some other application
11,
the LPC.
Yes, ma'am.
ओके बताओ क्या कर रहे हो अली?
Ma'am, I'm doing the first question yet. I'm creating the database.
यू आर क्रिएटिंग ए डेटाबेस। क्यों इतना टाइम? अच्छा ठीक है चलो, मैं अभी किसी को कुछ बोलती नहीं, बट डू इट टुडे। हाँ, डू
Yes,
इट
ma'am,
फास्ट
I'll do.
बेटा। हाँ हाँ
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है ठीक है। 15, रोल नंबर 15, 16, 18, 23, 28, 28, roll number 37, 38।
यस मैम।
बोलो क्या काम कर रहे हो?
मैम डेटाबेस ही क्रिएट करो।
ओके, डेटाबेस क्रिएट कर रहे हो?
यस मैम।
ठीक है, करो जल्दी, फास्ट करो। 40,
यस
रोल नंबर 40, 41।
प्रेजेंट मैम।
बोलो कहाँ तक काम किया?
मैम अभी पीपीटी पढ़ रहा हूँ, बेसिक्स क्लियर नहीं है थोड़े से।
ठीक है, कोई प्रॉब्लम, इसमें कोई डिफिकल्टी है तो प्लीज़ पूछो मुझसे।
श्योर मैम।
रोल नंबर 44, रोल नंबर 44, 44, 46।
Present, ma'am. I'm currently having this error with NetBeans actually,
ओके
and referring basic code to like move on with the assignment. I'm not sure if I will be able to do it within the class itself, but I will be able to do it today itself.
ओके,
It will be done.
सो यू वांट सम हेल्प फ्रॉम माय साइड?
Actually, ma'am, my basic from uh, that move. I'll work on it. Uh, no problem with that, but the NetBeans is closing itself.
So you are figuring, okay, you are 48. See those who are map here ना, chat box में जिन्होंने present ही दिया, I'm not going to mark you as a present, right? You have to spec it out. आपका mic on होना चाहिए और आप क्या कर रहे हो मुझे पता होना चाहिए। रोल नंबर 48।
Hello, ma'am.
हाँ
प्रेजेंट
हाँ।
मैम।
Apologies, I was kicked out by someone. So
Why?
I'm working
See,
on it. That's all I have to say.
क्यों ऐसे करते हो? Oh, see Shitij, if you want, you can if you want any help, please contact me. Please.
Come, ma'am.
हाँ लेकिन please do the programs, all the programs.
Excuse me,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am, will do.
Yes.
Ma'am, I
बोलो.
can't find the third.
Hello.
I'm PR6 present, ma'am.
क्यों अटेंडेंस लिया था तब सो रहे थे?
मैम नेटवर्क इशू है मैम, मेरा लाइट कट हो गया था मैम और डिस्कनेक्टेड एट द टाइम।
ठीक है।
Access control list, like it goes with the user and the access control list, and it looks forward.
So status क्या है प्रोग्राम का? आकाश.
System user is having the complete.
What you are doing? What is the status?
To get the particular system access as a method.
आकाश.
So
यस
security.
मैम।
स्टेटस क्या है? अभी क्या कर रहे हो?
मैम अभी नेटबीन्स तो इंस्टॉल करना है मैम।
क्यों अभी कर रहे हो? एक्चुअली ऑलरेडी 4 lectures are were over, right?
मैम मेरा आज पहला लेक्चर था।
If you are a Windows user, if you want
लेकिन क्लास में पूछ सकते हो ना क्या हुआ क्या नहीं हुआ?
मैम यस मैम।
little bit about the hardware.
See, this will not be, मतलब you know, this is not acceptable from the next lecture. ना NetBeans नहीं है, ऐसा नहीं है, वो नहीं है. Everyone, please note it down. Fine. हाँ. हाँ बोलो.
44 प्रेजेंट केशव।
कहाँ सो रहे थे जब
मैम
अटेंडेंस ले रही थी तब?
मैम कोई निकाल गया मीटिंग से, बार बार कोई निकाल रहा है।
ये क्यों, कौन बचपना कर रहा है ऐसे? ठीक है, मैंने राइट्स मेरे पास रखे.
Did you mark PR in 107?
No, I haven't come there only. Wait.
And this particular tool comes for almost all the devices, including Android phones also. Windows and Android phone.
Ma'am,
50.
how do we
हाँ
get MySQL Workbench? Do we have to install that? Or
why
can we
you
just use
why you
can we
are
just
going for
use
workbench?
PHP?
Why you
Can
are
we
going for
just
the workbench?
can we just use PHP MyAdmin?
Yeah, you can use the your WAMP server on and directly use MySQL. There is no need to go for workbench and the other part.
Yeah. I don't know. Somebody's muting me from the side. I don't know who's doing that.
CPU Z for Windows or Android. Yes. Anybody is having any ideas? No one has ever heard this particular. Power, which are very
Okay, 56. 56, roll number 56.
Yes, ma'am.
हो गया आपका?
Ma'am, I'm doing the second question.
Yeah, second question. First is over, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Nirmit, what is your status?
Hello.
हेलो हाँ निर्मित स्टेटस बताओ आपका
Ma'am.
हाँ
I'm
कहाँ
going through
तक
the PPTs right now, and I cannot work with NetBeans along with Microsoft Teams because my system always gets hanged a little bit. So it's tough
okay
to work with both of them working.
okay so how do we manage the work now?
And I'll do it after the class right away.
नॉट आफ्टर द क्लास में जो काम करोगे उसके ऊपर इवैल्यूएशन होने वाला है निर्मित. If you do one program, not a problems, but you have to do it and you have to upload it immediately.
Okay, so I can do one thing. I can
You
just
can do,
get
you
my
can
dad's
open your
laptop and do it
नहीं नहीं
online.
you open it your meeting on इसके ऊपर करो ना मोबाइल के ऊपर करो और यहाँ पे लैपटॉप के ऊपर वर्क करो.
Okay, ma'am, we'll do that.
Yes, मुस्कान मैंने कर दिया आपको प्रेजेंट. यू वर्क आउट. यू ऑलरेडी इन्फॉर्म मी अबाउट योर टास्क. स्मिथ
53 of
मैम 48
हाँ यार निखिल मैंने किया जिनसे बात की थी उनका प्रेजेंट कर दिया. हाँ 60 रोल
मैम
नंबर 60. हाँ बोलो.
मैम 48
48 हाँ ठीक 48 हाँ कुशन किया ना आपसे आपने यू हैव रिटन ना यू हैव डन द प्रोग्राम पार्ट फर्स्ट.
हाँ
आई मार्क्ड इट प्रेजेंट. रोल नंबर 60 स्मिथ.
So you download the zip version.
60
You audit it and you generate a report. You will get to know
61 Pavit.
So if you have two slots for installing
64
then this particular tool will tell you in which slot the current
Rahul 69
and what compatible RAM that will be integrated to your system.
स्मिथ ओपन माइक ऑन करो और बोलो. I hate that chat box part.
Date of manufacture and so many good details.
69 roll number.
So once you have the report,
70
the report of it, I wanted to share.
71
ma'am.
70
70 present.
हाँ बोलो क्या क्या काम किया है कर रहे हो.
मैम कर रहे हैं मैम 2 का डी पे है कर रहे हैं आगे देखते पूरा चल जाएगा.
क्या कर रहे हो?
मैम 2 का डी पे है मतलब कर रहे हैं. सेकंड का डी कर रहे हैं.
ऋषभ समझ मतलब ऑडिबल यू आर नॉट क्लियरली ऑडिबल. एग्जैक्टली क्या क्या प्रॉब्लम है क्या कर रहे हो?
सेकंड डी आई एम डूइंग.
बी पार्ट सेकंड पार्ट.
डी
डी कौन सा पार्ट कर रहे हो? दैट फर्स्ट रिकॉर्ड ऑफ द बुक्स रिट्रीविंग द रिकॉर्ड रैंडमली.
यस मैम कोड लिख रहे हैं हम देख के कोड लिख रहे हैं.
ठीक है आप ये भी प्रेजेंट करोगे हाँ एक 10 मिनट के बाद. वही कोड आप रन नहीं हुआ तो भी चलेगा लेकिन प्रेजेंट इनटू द क्लास. हाँ लिखो ना
मैम इसमें. हाँ ठीक है दिखा दे.
क्या एरर्स दिखने दो ना, मैं करूंगी ना सॉल्व, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. इट इज नॉट कंपल्सरी इट शुड बी वर्किंग. आप लिख रहे हो इसी में बहुत है. 71, रोल नंबर 71, 72,
Yes, ma'am.
Can you tell me what
Ma'am,
is working
71,
out?
ma'am.
71. ऋषभ बोलो.
The service that is running plug and play service.
क्या कर रहे हो?
PPT देता हूँ मैम.
Can you name
क्यों
special plug and play
पीपीटी
service?
अभी तक देख रहे हो? आधा घंटा हो गया, मोर देन दैट.
Plug and play service.
जल्दी से प्रोग्राम
What is
करो.
plug and play service?
72, 72
Ma'am,
रोल नंबर.
present. Yes,
क्या
ma'am.
काम? हाँ बोलो, क्या काम कर रहे हो?
मैम पीपीटी पे ही हो मैम अभी तक. मैम चालू करता हूँ बस अभी. मैम फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन.
अच्छा ठीक है, डू इट फास्ट.
Yes, ma'am.
सात्विक 73.
यस मैम प्रेजेंट.
सेकंड कौन सा प्रोग्राम करा है? फर्स्ट इज
प्रोग्राम में मेरे को एरर्स आ रहे हैं.
किसके ऊपर? सेकंड के ऊपर?
फर्स्ट रिट्रीविंग ऑफ डेटा.
अच्छा, दिखाना चाहते हो तो दिखाओ मुझे. 74.
इलीगल फॉर्मेट कन्वर्जन एक्सेप्शन.
ओके,
आई
शेयर
एम
कर.
बाय द वे.
1 मिनट मैं अटेंडेंस ले लेती हूँ, फिर शेयर करो आपकी स्क्रीन यदि चाहते होंगे तो. 74, रोल नंबर 74, 75, 76, 77.
Present, ma'am. 76 present, ma'am.
हाँ बोलो शिव का क्या काम किया है?
मैम मैं करंटली पीपीटी कर रहा हूँ. और मैम मेरे को पूछना था कि अगर नेटबीन्स की जगह विजुअल स्टूडियो में
कुछ
मैं
भी
कर
यूज करो,
सकता हूँ तो
कुछ भी करो,
हाँ,
मुझे
वरना मेरे को
रिजल्ट्स
पूरा
चाहिए.
इंस्टॉल करना पड़ेगा. नेटबीन्स इंस्टॉल करना पड़ेगा वरना.
मुझे रिजल्ट्स चाहिए, दैट्स इट. यू कैन यूज एनी एडिटर, आई डोंट माइंड. लेकिन अभी इतना 1 घंटे तक पीपीटी था ही नहीं. पीपीटी ओनली फॉर द 10 minutes इज इनफ फॉर द पीपीटी, राइट? एंड रादर यू कैन कोरिलेट सेकेंड प्रोग्राम ओनली 3 पीपीटी. यू रेफर एंड गिव प्रोसीड फॉर द प्रोग्राम.
And it will also tell you that whether this service is running
रोल नंबर 77.
online mode or offline.
प्रेजेंट मैम.
लो क्या कर रहे हो?
मैम फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन स्टार्ट कर दिया है. कनेक्शन एस्टैब्लिश कर रहा हूँ बस डेटाबेस का, और क्वेरीज एग्जीक्यूट करनी है.
ओके. 78.
यस मैम प्रेजेंट.
क्या कर रही हो श्रुति?
मैम अब मैंने मतलब सेलेक्ट स्टार फ्रॉम बोथ द टेबल्स करा है, तो डेटा दोनों का दिखा रहा है. उसके आगे आई हैवंट एग्जीक्यूटेड द क्वेरी दैट हैज बीन आस्क्ड इन द क्वेश्चन, अदरवाइज एवरीथिंग एल्स इज डन.
तो पहले क्वेश्चन में बेटा सिर्फ एक ही टेबल के साथ इंटरेक्शंस करना है, राइट?
हाँ मैम.
हाँ उतना ठीक है, करके देखो, करके देखो. उसके बाद ज्वाइनिंग करना है.
रेज जो सैलरी रेज है वो भी करना है क्या?
ऐसे कहाँ बोला है सैलरी रेज?
हाँ
मैंने कहाँ बोला है? सी आई हैव अपलोडेड. फर्स्ट इज व्हाट डिस्प्ले द कंटेंट्स ऑफ अ बुक. सेकंड वन इज यू हैव टू डिस्प्ले द रिकॉर्ड इन एनी ऑर्डर, राइट? रिजल्ट सेट मूव करना है. उसके बाद आपको इंसर्ट न्यू रिकॉर्ड करना है.
वो हो गया मैम, इंसर्ट भी हो गया
रिजल्ट सेट में.
हाँ मैम वो इंसर्ट हो गया. और
वेरी गुड. उसका प्राइस, बुक का प्राइस चेंज करना था, अपडेट करना
उसका
था.
प्राइस अपडेट नहीं
डिलीट.
करना, बस वो अपडेट करना है.
तो किसके साथ किया? प्रिपेयर स्टेटमेंट के साथ किया या रिजल्ट सेट के साथ किया?
अभी तो मैम प्रिपेयर स्टेटमेंट्स मैंने यूज नहीं करे अभी. मैंने तो अपडेट वाला ही यूज करा है अभी तक.
ठीक है ठीक है, यही पहले करो. उसी को हमको रिपीट करना है प्रिपेयर स्टेटमेंट के साथ. पीपीटी में दिए हुए देखो, लास्ट इसमें एग्जांपल्स भी दिए हुए प्रिपेयर स्टेटमेंट्स के.
प्रिपेयर्ड स्टेटमेंट्स. हाँ, चेंज द प्राइस ऑफ द बुक टू 1000 with results.
या
हम मुझे प्रेजेंट करना है अभी क्या कर?
अभी नहीं, रुको ना, आप अपलोड करो. एक बार अटेंडेंस देती हूँ फिर बताती हूँ.
ओके मैम, थैंक यू.
रोल नंबर 80 शुभित. 81. 81. Yes. बोलो.
Yes, ma'am. I'm like, I just installed my NetBeans and I was going through PPT.
अरे इतना लेट क्यों कर रहे हो यार? तुम ऑलरेडी 4 लेक्चर हो चुके हैं. Okay, do it fast. 84.
Present, ma'am.
बोलो।
मैम आई एम डूइंग द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन मैम, वो कनेक्टिविटी वाला पार्ट उसमें कुछ प्रॉब्लम आ रहा है, सो आई एम ट्राइंग दैट ओनली।
ओके, इफ यू वांट टू शेयर यू कैन शेयर इट विथ मी। हाँ, एक बार
ओके
अटेंडेंस होने दो, यू शेयर इट विथ मी।
ओके
85, 87, 89,
Yes, ma'am.
89।
Yes, ma'am.
तनु,
Tanya. Ma'am,
बोलो।
yes, ma'am. I'm currently going through the PPT right now.
अरे पीपीटी खत्म होना चाहिए। इट इज नॉट एट ऑल बी 1 hour टास्क, इट इज जस्ट 10-minute टास्क,
Yes,
राइट?
ma'am. Ma'am, I was not present for one whole week, so I don't have much idea.
ओके, आज के लिए करो, लेकिन नेक्स्ट वीक से ऐसे मत करना
Sure,
प्लीज।
ma'am.
91।
यस मैम। मैम एक्चुअली अभी हेलो मैम।
बोलो।
मैम अभी अभी मैंने जस्ट इसका ये पीपीटी खत्म किया है एंड आई एम जस्ट ट्राइंग द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन।
ओके,
या
डू इट फास्ट, डू इट फास्ट। 92, 92, 95।
मैम यस मैम 92।
हाँ बोलो, क्या हुआ?
अभी डेटाबेस हुआ है मैम, अभी फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन कर दूंगा। आई स्टार्ट नाउ।
ठीक है, डू इट फास्ट। 95।
प्रेजेंट मैम।
कितना हुआ विराट?
मैम पीपीटी समझ के क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 का थर्ड पार्ट कर रहा है, इंसर्ट द डेटा वैल्यूज इन रिजल्ट्स, ऐसे प्रिपेयर स्टेटमेंट क्रिएट करता हूँ उसके लिए।
इंजेक्शंस को कैसे वो अवॉइड करता है, वो मुझे आपको इस पीपीटी से ज़्यादा मोर ऑन द आई वांट टू फोकस, मतलब फोकस करना है आपको कि हाउ इट विल बी ओवरकम द ड्रॉबैक ऑफ एसक्यूएल इंजेक्शन। ओके, ठीक है, दोनों की तरफ से ट्राई करो और फिर इसके बाद बताती हूँ। 96।
यस मैम।
बोलो, फर्स्ट लेक्चर ना?
यस मैम।
कहाँ थे इतने दिन?
मैम बाहर गया हुआ था एक्चुअली, सो आज फर्स्ट लेक्चर है और मैम डेटाबेस क्रिएट हो गया, फर्स्ट खुद स्टार्ट कर रहा हूँ मैं अभी।
ठीक है, डू इट फास्ट।
यस मैम।
97, 98। डेनियल, प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व हुआ?
Yes, ma'am. वो problem solve हो गया था. I'm on the second question right now.
ओके ओके, व्हाट्स द प्रॉब्लम, व्हाई इट इज कमिंग?
मैम वो ड्राइवर्स का कुछ इशू था एंड एसक्यूएल का 8th वाला, वो द करंट अपडेट इज नॉट वर्किंग विद दैट ड्राइवर, तो पहले उसको लेगेसी वाले उसमें डाल के आई हैड टू रीडू इट।
ओके, रोल नंबर 100, 100, 103,
प्रेजेंट मैम।
103।
यस मैम।
हाँ बोलो।
I'm still in the first question.
यू आर टिल विद द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन।
Yes ma'am. I think some compatibility issues there. I don't know what's happening.
शेयर योर स्क्रीन। रोल नंबर 104, अहमद।
Yes, ma'am.
What you are doing?
Ma'am, I'm done with the first question and I'm doing the second question first. Hey.
Good. Okay. Good. Good. Go through the PPT, Aman, and if you have any doubt, please call. Just respond me. 105, 107, 108, 10.
Ma'am, 108.
आकांक्षा, कितना हुआ काम?
Ma'am, I just did the data, created my database, so I'll start with it now.
And 109.
So sorry, call on the landline. Okay.
Wants to share your data, please share it with me. मतलब जो डिफिकल्टी थी, आपको कोई प्रॉब्लम हुआ तो प्लीज शेयर इट विथ मी।
So you can just visit services.sc. We look forward for some of the interesting services. I will definitely share a list of services that are very crucial and which will definitely responsible for turning on and turning off the
Yes.
security aspects in Windows. Definitely share the list of the service. Till the time to explore it from here. Let us open the session for a quick Q&A. Let me tell you, you have a quick questions to be asked.
सात्विक ना आपको प्रेजेंट राइट से क्यों
No questions?
Okay, so
बस here.
yes, sir. It's going inside this. That means the connection is being made.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay then.
And they say illegal.
Format conversion exception.
Yes, have a good day off.
उसका एरर नंबर कौन से लाइन पे बता रहा है
कोई लाइन
देखा
तो बता नहीं ना
ठीक है ड्राइवर के बाद कनेक्शंस किया आपने
Yeah, I did all that, and here the data is also there in this.
Okay. Go back to your program. URL get connected, then execute query, select this one from books. ठीक है. Percentage, percent D, percent C, percent S और percent F बोला हुआ है ना? So percent S के लिए integer लिया है. This one. Get int, get string, get int. And here again percent D.
Achha.
ठीक है?
Okay. Second also I am like into that only. I am seeing.
मैं इसी में continue करो. You have for the second one you have to make your result set should be that insensitive and it should be either type of scroll insensitive or you make it as a sensitive also. What is the difference between sensitive and insensitive data result set? Case में difference. What is the difference between them? Result set insensitive and result set sensitive. Result set forward. Is your result set is scrollable whenever you catch the query? Hello, anyone? Is your result set is scrollable? Anyone explain me the difference between result set scrollable insensitive, scrollable sensitive, as well as you can say the result set forward only. Anyone please?
Good morning. No. First of all, I would like to congratulate all of you for getting the results. And the second thing, because of a very important meeting, I won't be able to take this class. So, that is the thing. I'm able to take the class. So we start this class coming evening. I have to join for a very important and crucial meeting. So that is the reason I was able to take the class. Is that okay? Is that okay? Yes. Okay. Thank you so much all. Take care and have a wonderful day. If anybody want to discuss anything later, we will definitely have a meeting. Okay?
Sachin sir, you are not audible clearly. नाही.
Excuse me, ma'am.
सचिन सर ऑडिबल अजिबात नाही आहात तुम्ही. येतोय आणि मध्येच जातोय तो क्लिअर नाही येते. नाही नाही सर. सर अजिबात आवाज येत नाही. क्लिअर अजिबात येत नाहीये. खूप लॅग येतोय. लॅग येतोय खूप. Immediate.
लेक्चर कैंसिल केलं
Okay. Three 307. Hello, please note everyone, you have to upload your task in that folder. Huh? You every day you will get evaluated. If you go through the PPT, just mention in Word file ki you go through the PPT and you learn these many things, right? Whatever you have learned, write a short paragraph on it and upload it on the same folder, right? Am I clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Please upload it your task.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes. Yes, Dania.
Ma'am, in the third question, do we have to use
Hmm?
prepared statement or can we just do it like
No,
result sheet?
no. First of all, you have to check the result statement. With the help of only result statement, you have to do that update into the database, right? And then you use the prepare statements. And then you have मतलब उसमें से आपका जो SQL injections का जो problems रहता है ना, how the prepare statement get overcome that problems, probably you may be knowing it. राइट प्रिपेयर स्टेटमेंट हाँ उसके बाद करो मतलब दोनों का रिवीजन हो जाएगा एक्चुअली मुझे ये रिवीजन में केस में मूड में था ना सो आई थॉट कि यू पीपल विल डू फटाफट ऑल द टास्क एनीवे चलेगा
Okay, ma'am. And ma'am, जैसे जैसे like all these questions we have to upload इनका files और इनका screenshot.
स्क्रीनशॉट अलॉन्ग विद द आउटपुट
Okay.
ओके हाँ उसके साथ जितना काम हुआ उतना इट्स नॉट कंपलसरी कि एवरीथिंग शुड बी डन इन अ सेम मतलब एक ही दिन में उतना नहीं होगा जो आज का जितना काम हुआ उतना चलेगा दैट्स व्हाई आई सेड समबडी सेड ना कि दे जस्ट गो थ्रू द पीपीटी इट्स ओके बट यू हैव टू मेक अ शॉर्ट नोट ऑन द पीपीटी दैट मीन्स व्हाट यू लर्न फ्रॉम द पीपीटी राइट इट इन अ वर्ड फाइल एंड जस्ट टू अपलोड दैट फाइल
To upload the Word file and the screenshots of whatever you've done.
those yeah see
Okay, ma'am.
some people suggest some students say just now said na ki they go through the ppt right so these people can do that word matlab ppt mein kya what they learn just write a short note on it and just upload that process and Daniel you have already worked on the on your programs na so you simply upload your program
अच्छा okay ma'am
along with the output
yes ma'am
ओके आई एम जस्ट राइट नाउ 10 मिनट के लिए मैं मीटिंग के लिए जा रही हूँ आई विल कम बैक अगेन फाइन
Okay, ma'am.
या प्लीज डू इट और यदि मेरा मीटिंग कंप्लीट नहीं हुआ तो यू प्लीज एट 12:30 यू अपलोड द थिंग्स एंड देन लीव द मीटिंग
Okay,
फाइन
ma'am.
See, the third one. Now I have started the third one. And what is the third one? It is system features, right? So for writing the system features, you have to insert the table. If you want to write the action, here we write it. And in system features, but possible is something that how we get value from the previous one. So we have got this dollar underscore post video. So what is super global of PhD? They are now super global of PhD. Okay, so in system fusion, you write the function requirement. Okay, so by saying the function for this document requirement to the tabular format. So you insert three columns, first for serial number, second for requirement number, and third for requirement description. Now, for creating this table, you have to refer your RTM document. What is RTM stands for? RTM stands for requirement accessibility matrix, right? In requirement accessibility matrix, if you remember, in that RTM, you have mentioned the implemented requirement, right? Requirement. You have written the requirement numbers, you have written the requirement description, as well as in which category it belongs to, whether you have to verify as a requirement or whether you have validated requirement as a requirement. Adopts that application. Because in testing, what is the R? Third one is the requirement description. Okay, so here my point is when means you have also observed that when you prepare any new article, you have many times you have to refer the previous articles, right? So that's why we can say that each and every document is dependent on each other. So you have to creating a particular article, particular documents, you have to consider all the aspects and prepare the document in an efficient manner so that we cannot miss anything. So we are just saying how to use this requirement facility message which I have prepared for my case. Check whether the variable has value or is none. Or we have this I see. How the variable works, if this works having some value, then the solution. Otherwise, the value is not. Otherwise, the variable is not. And this will so in 1 second I will open. Or can you share the document so that I can open it? if you write this question, it's not interesting enough. What's your name? Okay, one second. Are you giving me the values?